First, unplug the cord from the box hooked to the TV and plug the cord into the back of the HP computer that is on the table. Next, turn on the TV, the computer, and the speakers. Make sure the wireless keyboard and mice work for the system. If not, check to see if the mouse and keyboard are turned on. Should be green. Check to make sure the dongles are in the webcam computer. If they aren't, like they aren't in this instance, you should be able to find them at the teacher podium in that computer. There will be one for the mouse and one for the keyboard. Plug the dongles into the computer hooked to the webcam. If you find that the mouse and keyboard still don't work, the batteries may need to be replaced. There is a box of batteries at the teacher podium. You will want to make sure the webcam is positioned correctly for your meeting. You do not need to turn on the webcam. It is already on when it's plugged in. Get on your Zoom meeting by either opening up Zoom and starting a new meeting or clicking on the link you've received to an invited Zoom meeting. If it asks, allow the microphone and camera. You will next want to test the speakers and the microphone. The speakers should be set on headphones to Realtek audio. The microphone should be set on microphone totem 180. If you're still having issues with audio, make sure the speaker in the lower right-hand corner of the screen says headphones to Realtek audio as well. Now you can join with computer audio. There are 3 parts to the webcam that you should be aware of. The bottom yellow button is the button to hold if you want to switch the camera to a wider or narrower angle. The top red button allows you to mute the microphone anytime. And up here by the camera, you have a little slider that lets you adjust the angle up and down by 12 degrees. When your meeting is done, you should click End and then End Meeting for All if you are hosting the meeting, and just leave the meeting if you are just a participant. You can then sign out of the computer and shut it down. Unplug the cord from the back of the computer and hook it back into the box attached to the TV. Don't forget to turn off your wireless keyboard and mouse. Hopefully that answers all your questions about the new webcam system set up in the Cat Lab. If you have any other questions about it or problems, please don't hesitate to get a hold of the tech department.